customer broke the blade from her key, and she wanted a solid key, so that's not going to happen to her again. We made her a solid key that can start the car. Let me show you that the car starts. Everything lights up. Car starts no problem. Key works like brand new. Controls still work. You can see the light blinking. And if you really want, you can put a plier and start it. But that's not comfortable, and you can break the blade inside the ignition. We don't recommend that. We recommend a brand new control like this, or to get a solid key. And that's a good idea too, because it's a working truck. If you need a key for your Ford F-150 in the high desert, Hesperia, Apple Valley, Victorville, please call us today to Mike's Locks at 760-766-0117 to double check we have the control in stock, and we can give you a quote over the phone. Thank you for choosing Mike's Locks. Please like and subscribe.